Hi everyone. So I thought I would do this quick and messy video because Prime Day starts tomorrow, and I prepared this extensive list of items that you need to bring to Burning Man with you in order to have good experience and you know to cover most aspects of your experience there as well. So last year was our first Burning Man, and it turned out it slowly transformed, I would say rapidly, or suddenly transformed into Muddy Man. We all know that. And this year we expect slightly different experience, but we never know. So we should be prepared for everything. And I think last year we were prepared very well because we were reading a lot of articles, watching a lot of videos, asking friends, and all information that they gave us, we tried to incorporate. And we were even prepared for the mud and rain, even though we didn't expect it explicitly. So I decided it would be nice to give something back to the community and create this list to help others to prepare well for their Burning Man in this year, in 2024. So please find it in the description below, and let me know in comments if you have any questions. If you would like me to create another video with more details on every item that I added to the list. That list contains links to Amazon. I might get small commission from it, but that's not the main purpose of me creating this list. And tomorrow is Prime Day, tomorrow and Wednesday, so you can check those items. Something might be on sale. I can't guarantee, but yeah, it's worth checking. See you in the dust.